Hey, it's me Ace back with another banger. So today I'm going to show you how to get Photoshop for free. First off, like and subscribe, but now that that's out the way, let's get started. Click the top link in the description. This page would show up. Click download. I am working on a laptop, that's why there is a frame drop. I'm truly sorry for it. As you can see bottom right, it's downloading. Oops, I mean bottom right, lol. Once it's done, open up your File Explorer. I recommend you download a zip app that can zip and unzip your folders. I'll have one linked in the description. Done, you take it from here.
Greeting, I am done. So what you want to do now is go to all your downloads, open a Photoshop setup, and from there click zip. Once you've done that, open it up, and you should be ready to go.
I am Barry. I'm sorry for Don. He talks too fast, lol. So basically, open up the folder once downloaded the zip it, then open it up. You should be ready to go then. I'm working on a trash-ass laptop, so my recording crashed. Please like and subscribe.
Oh, Daddy, hey.